Hello, this is the car 2004 Acura TSX. The ball in the gift shelf is off. You need to change. If you wanna change, that is simple. This car is very simple to change the ball when the ball is off. The first thing you have to do is remove right here. That's very simple. When you take it off, this is very simple. You have, this is for the seat. You take off, and then you go right here, make it round. It's very simple. You have the ball here. You take off. You can go to the, I went to AutoZone and found this ball 21 and it's working perfect. $5. When you change, put it back again. It's very simple. That's it. It's working. You see? It's working. And then you put it back, the plug. Then you see it's very simple. You see it's working. That's good. That is very simple. 2004 Acura TSX.